ingredients are not boiled and it's nutritious. Now I'm going to prepare salad using different vegetables, fruits, cereal and tasting material. The ingredients are grated carrot, chopped onion, chopped tomato, chopped cucumber, sweet corn, pomegranate, soaked moong dal, coriander leaves, chopped green chili, lemon, chaat masala, pepper powder and salt. Now you can see all the ingredients are ready for the preparation of salad. Now take a bigger bowl and add grated carrot, chopped onion, chopped tomato, chopped cucumber, sweet corn, pomegranate, soaked moong dal, chopped green chili and coriander leaves. Add some salt and pepper for taste and squeeze some lemon. And mix it well. The salad is ready. I will transfer this in a serving plate. Now I will sprinkle some chaat masala and garnish with onion, cucumber and carrot and coriander leaves. Here is the healthy and delicious salad.